welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video. So today I'm doing an open video, just vibing. Yeah, I want to show you some of the street foods that we enjoy in Kenya and how sweet they are. Then there's a couple channel. My friend has a YouTube channel called Tina and Travis. I'll leave the link down in the description box so that you can check her out. I'm vlogging when there's a lot of sun, so don't mind how I look. Yeah, so let me show you what we have. Some street food. This is what we have here. We have mshikaki and mtura. I know many of you know mtura. Yeah, it's mshikaki ya kuku. This is how it looks like, the presentation. Some of the street foods we enjoy in Kenya. Mshikaki goes for 20 shillings. And mtura also goes for? A piece. A piece goes for 10 shillings. They're so nice. Cut it using that information. How do you say in English? So this is what we call mshikaki. This one goes for 20 shillings. It's so sweet. Let me taste it for you. Mshikaki ya kuku. So tasty. I'll not taste mtura for today. Then we have mtura here. Mtura. How do you call it? Kenyans, how do you call this in English? I'll show you how we make it someday.
We also have soup.
I've not put salt and kachumbari.
There's no kachumbari.
But you have to eat this thing with salt and kachumbari. They're so nice, guys. If you come to Kenya or you're a Kenyan and you've not tasted some of these street foods, unangoja nini? My mshikaki. Yeah, my mshikaki. Haven you can't eat mtura when kadogo. So nice. So guys, try these things. Try these street foods. You will not regret. So like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Tell me if you love these street foods or which type of street food do you love. We have mahindi choma, we have samosas and everything, but today I only decided to show you these two. So I think I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe to Tina and Travis YouTube channel. I'll leave their link down in the description. Bye.